Come here. More than say you're back in the real life. Come here around the stage. Security. Let this beautiful lady show, please. Give your friend your man. I want to see you mash up in this right now. Come here, movie. Jesus Christ, look at sexy. I'll sit up good. Sit up good. You can't do the dance? Let me see one man. Play.
Yo, Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Dexta Daps represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom, you know.
Yo, Chef Young, you know about this going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know. London. Mad.
Pull up. Toronto, if this is the best Caribbean city in the world, make some noise right now. I'm not gonna lie. This is the world famous Rebel. A lot of people have been in here, but trust me, what's gonna happen in here tonight, I'm gonna be mischief. You understand? Big up the single girls that came out tonight. Big up the girls that from they came out their house, they just became single. You gotta listen. Alright? Now ladies, if you want to throw brassiere, bra, come here with me to Jamaica, Mr. Brassiere, sorry. Right, if you want to throw your brassiere on the stage, no problem. But the whole of the man them up here say a bad man, not throwing a panty. Do not throw a panty, but do it. Alright?
Yeah.
So, my brothers are in the building. T-Dot's own. The Six's own. Chippy Dot. Yeah. My brother.
Trigger.
Go on.
Big up yourself. Good night, ladies. No, I don't like that. I don't like that. Good night, ladies. How y'all doing? You alright? Are there any single girls in the building tonight? All single ladies, wave your hand. Oh my God. Any ladies have a boyfriend? Ladies, you got a boyfriend? Wave your hand. And anybody celebrating a birthday today? Nobody? Okay. Alright, yo, I'll go on. But now we have no time. I'm here to play some music. So guess what I want you guys to do with me? I'm going to play the songs, and you guys are going to sing them, okay? Are you ready? You ready? Yeah, let's go. Yeah. your ex-boyfriend calling phone and tell him this. Yeah, wicked. You know what I'm like? What I know. Okay. We take a praise of you. Ladies, can you sing with me? Louder than that, sing. When you sing now, and it's all right, ladies, it's your part here. But they didn't sing that part. You ready? All right. So I leave. Yes, I am. What's it gonna do? Everybody put up your hand here. Put them up, put them up. You say you have me, I love you. What's the matter with you? You have me back around, no telling you. When you can't spend nobody time, keep up and just unwind. You have me like something you know. That simple thing that you're not true, cause only when you want to. You hear shout, I love you. What about the music? Where you from? Where you from? Hey, pick up the ears, right there. Yeah. What about reggae music? Sing that sucker. Hey, any girl have two boyfriends? Any girl have two boyfriends in here? Baby, I love you in every way. I don't know why. Keep the board lights on. Oh, I see everybody, we have the board light there. We have the board light there. We have that. We have that. We have that. We have that. And then what? What you say? I am dead. I want to get about a year ago to you know what she said? She said, help me, Lord, help me. And look into the sky and heard a voice cry. Sing! When you keep the board like that around here. Keep the board like that around here. I'm gonna play the next song. I need everybody to keep the board like that around here. You see if you don't keep the board like that, don't love your mother. Play that song. Where would I be? Everybody, if you love your mother, where the board like that around here? Why? With the whole side of the world like we are good. We are. Everybody, if you love your mom, put some love for you right now. Put some love for you. Select a turn it up, everybody. So. They love with Father dead. They wouldn't hear one of them. And they don't know where we are my streets at. And they want about my drops. And they don't know where. This is all the parts. And they don't know I'm making no. I'm the one pussy there. Now make them. Sing, now trick me and kill me. You know. Now I'm turning my lights. I want to see pretty girls. Hey! Oh, we got pretty girls out here. Hey! I told y'all, you see tonight, I'm going to play the music, and y'all going to sing. What's this? Tell boy, don't walk away from me. What you got in the house? I got nothing. Oh my God! Ladies already here. All right, what you gonna say? Ready? All right, go. Ladies, you over the roof right now. Oh, let's say, ready? One more time, go! Ladies, this is a ball that I put in the house. I will go to the house after 5 weeks. And I'm telling something like this. But God, clear up in my house. Everybody, wait up this time. Boy, who could? Oh! I'm just testing. Listen to me. Story time. The other day I went to go check a girl, friend of mine. She kind of likes me. Went to the house and everything. She said, "Man, you want me to cook you some food?" I said, "All right, you can't cook the food." She brought some rice and chicken. But the problem was, when we pick up the rice and the food, I go so, I know it was about my school. Some of them are all over the spoon, so. I don't know what we're doing it. You know, my medical. All my ladies, if you don't have no man stress, ain't true. All my ladies, if you know some fella's gonna try to stress you out, you gotta leave him, okay? You gotta leave him. When you leave him, you gotta sing him a song like this. Turn it up. Sing. Everybody with a proud Jamaica, women to them in the ear.
This is a survival story. Jamaica story. This is my story.
Hey, wanna find some room right now? Ready?
Hey,
Go.
I remember those days when there was my home. You put my bed was a piece of gold. Never like pain, and my ear never cold. I'm not gonna worry, just keep on rolling. When it's like a snake, when it's like a knife, I'm cool over. All I do is
If you hear me, a sexy friend. Ladies, if we're gonna take somebody's boyfriend, defend yourself. Don't take a beat up. I'll never try to defend yourself. What's the love you not here? What's the love you not here? We're not gonna do it. What's the love shit?
Hold on. Somebody everywhere where it's the fire time. Blazing in the fire.
When you see me on the Gaza with me cake grass top, put down your phone, no matter call price stop. Come with the no cigars and price stop. One shot, watch it like them. The party get drastic, get some street vibes, run from that good, get some sanitary, go in the plastic bag.
Somebody get is not nice. Get the white, the red, the overproof, the tonic wine.
Take that. Deeper. One more time. Love them. Me and you. What I say? After the exit last night. What's it do? Should we go for me or what? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know you got to go on the line. You have to give it a move, girl can do a dance. Any girl can do a dance. Scary. Scary. Come here. Come here. Come here. More than the red button or you want. Come here around the stage. Security. Let this beautiful lady show, please. Give your friend your man. I want to see a mash up in this right now. Come here, movie. Jesus Christ, look at her sexy. Oh, sit up good. Sit up good. You can't do the dance? Let me see what I'm going to play. All my good people, ladies central. Ladies, if you got good credit central. Ladies, if you live somewhere central. Ladies, if you pay your rent or mortgage central. Ladies, if the part that you try to see your name, your sister's name, your kid's name, it's in your name central. When my girls with nice entries like me, I don't get to believe on that 1-to-1 central. We're not here.
Jimmy, come here right now. People, boss, I'm going to jump in Jimmy right now. It's an honor to be in your city, and you can celebrate in front of your people. Right? So everybody, once again, a round of applause for Brother Jimmy. Don't move, Jimmy. We chill. We good. People, if you do not know, this is the Trilogy Tour, Dexta Daps official tour, right? Now, I told you earlier, if you were not here, we make you know this is the biggest party tour ever, alright? So if you're having fun, make some noise right now. Now read one thing, yeah? Remember, Friday, November 17th, Lincoln Tree Dot, live in concert, Rich Sex. Yeah. Also,